Y'all, this is amazing fun. Come with me the next time. Mwah. Welcome to Casa Frida in Valle de Guadalupe, Baja California, Mexico. This place is the namesake of Mexican artist Frida Kahlo. Frida stated herself, her paintings carried with it the message of pain. During her lifetime, she had over 30 surgeries. She suffered from polio as a child and nearly died in a bus accident as a teenager. She healed in a full body cast while she painted to pass the time. Many of her paintings were self-portraits. As you can see at this location, it is full of artwork and inspirations of Frida herself. While here at Casa Frida, we had wine and tequila tastings on the terrace. The views were breathtaking. We also had breads, jellies, cheeses, and a little chance to stop. Take a look at our fun with the tastings. No, we got it.
Whiskey, tequila.
All of it. Hey! Yeah, right. He's home. I know, he'll be unhappy.
This is kind of like a jam of some sort.
Pairing with cheese, something like that. And if you age, this tequila about 3 years in American oak barrels, and it smells more like a smoked oak, the same aromas, caramel, vanilla, cooking agave.
I love the vanilla.
I think this tequila is like a whiskey scotch in style, more oaky, more caramel, vanilla.
And it's got a browner color.
And how about more color?
Yes.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, I can see lots of color.
Hold on, I can't pick it up.
Yeah, that's sugar and cinnamon.
I'm trying to get it. Ah! Here we go.
Thank you. This was fun. Wait till we get to the other end.
I do like the cinnamon and sugar.
You want it?
Wow,
Ain't water. Just looks like water.
that tastes better than the wine. Whoa. Next one.
Sam, do you like that one? You don't like any of them. I'm not sure if it's a tequila.
That was much better.
Yeah, that was good.
Much better.
He needs your opinion. We had some big old chunks in there, so I was trying to get a bigger piece.
Our farewell dinner was held at Finca Altozano. They had amazing food. It was served family style, and they gave us multiple courses. We also were provided 2 drinks of our choice by Fantasy. Here is the menu. Did not get video of the food, but did get pictures. Here is the panzanella salad, the bluefin tuna tostada, grilled octopus from the Pacific, shrimp sope with bone marrow, piedras gordas lamb, slow roasted beef short rib, my favorite of the evening, and our dessert, sweet cornbread with a small scoop of ice cream. It has been an amazing wine tour. Hopefully you enjoy the various wineries and tequileries that we were able to try, and maybe you'll decide one day to come on down. Baja, Mexico, Ensenada. Come join the fun.
Hopefully our paths cross in the future.
It was fabulous. Would I do another fantasy RV tour? Absolutely. There is no doubt in my mind. Again, I did say that the tours were pricey. However, they know things in areas and places that we don't. They set them up for you. They provide the food. They make your reservations. They get your transportation. And guys, They had some amazing people guiding and leading the tours, as well as joining us on the tours. So we had an amazing time. This was a really 7-day tour. One day was in Potrero, where we met up in San Diego. Then we went to the Mexican border, crossed it, got into Ensenada and Clinton Beach. We had 5 amazing days tasting and meeting new friends and enjoying the views. I would do it again in a heartbeat. I suggest, if you have the money and time, go on a fantasy tour. We're now heading back across the border. You saw the toll that we had to pay. It did take some time. Once we got to the border, they did have a special escort for us to get across the border faster, but it still took us a couple of hours to make the drive and across the border. We are back in the good old US of A and excited about the trips to come. Now, if you haven't seen all 3 parts of this 3-part series, please go back to the Mexico playlist, watch all 3. Any questions, any comments, anything about this, please send me a message or put it in the comments. Until then, I will see you on the next adventure. Thank you for joining me, and hasta luego, or see you later. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like. The next adventure awaits.